Hello guys, good morning, happy weekend. I won't be able to go walking beside the beach today because I'm lazy to wake up early. That's why I'm here in WTC to
Ate, come.
walk around. I need to check something. Hmm. This is for let's go women. We don't have a nice one. But they're selling original. But still expensive also. 69 sports clothes. I like to wear sports clothes because no need to iron. The cotton is hard to iron. It's crumpled every time I wash my clothes. Especially when you use dryer. The cotton is very crumpled. I like this one. But how much is this one? But no, I don't have budget. I need to prioritize my. I have appointment again in the doctor for the cardiology doctor today. Tomorrow. But I like to buy like this. The bronze. It's original. Adidas. Oh, there is no price. It's original. Original brand. Adidas. No price. There is 89. Too expensive. Almost 100. But it's original. May Adidas jacket also. I'll buy here last time, 2 years ago. It's original also. I check here in the other side. I'm looking for the squeezy ball to exercise my hand. I don't know where can I find that. The squeezy ball to exercise my hand before bedtime.